name is Jonathan Kraft from Mobile Apps Colorado, and thank you for taking a couple of minutes to view this sample app that we have here for Gertler Law Firm. Wanted to show you a couple of things within the app that really make it simple for attorneys to be using our apps, and I think this is a good demonstration of an app that worked well for this particular law firm and continues to work well for them. You can see here it's very simple. There's lots of options down at the bottom. We can change any of these buttons out. They could be anything you would like them to be. But you see here the location tab, it pulls up this option and says, would you like this to view your current location? If you wanted someone to be able to come and get to you from wherever they are, all they would have to do is click OK and then click Get Here, and that would give them driving directions. Now currently I am showing this on a computer through an emulator. The driving directions won't come up because I'm not on a mobile phone. But when they're on a mobile phone, this button will give them driving directions to your location. They can call you using the call function from within their phone. They can visit your website if they would like, so this would pull up your website. Now if you've mobile optimized your website like this is, you would be able to show it very well here. For someone to be able to see all of the latest details on your website, maybe you don't want to put all of those into the app, although you could if you wanted to, but this would give you a way to just keep people updated on what's going on right from your website. They can also email right from inside of the app. This will pull up whatever email client they have running inside of their app. We're going to go ahead and delete this draft, and that will take us back to the main page. Then we could go to a blog. Basically, this can load your latest blog posts. So if you're in the habit of communicating with your customer base with a blog or other form of newsletter, your clients can actually come to this and view your latest blog posts here. You could also have, just to show that, they can actually click here and they can see the latest blog post, and then they could read the whole article by going directly to your website and the blog that's actually pulling up there. This is just pulling in the intro to it, but you could pull in the entire blog post right into the app if you wanted people to be able to read it from the app. You also have the option to introduce your attorney, saying you could introduce the whole firm, put your text in here about the firm or about any individual, and put that person's name in here. Talk about the attorneys who will be representing clients when they choose your firm. Consultations is actually a really nice piece of the app. If you have regular clients and you have them on retainer, this gives them a way to communicate with you right away. They have an issue today, they need to be able to give you a phone call or send you an email. Maybe they're just thinking about it while they're riding on public transportation, on the light rail. Maybe they are riding in the car with somebody and they don't want to have a conversation at that particular time about what's going on, but that can be sent right to whatever email or other newsletter you might have that you would like them to be able to get in touch with you through. Also, here you can add all kinds of things. If you have a Facebook page, we can help you get that set up if you don't have that. But if you have a Facebook page, this gives you a way to let them communicate through you, or maybe you've got some videos up on YouTube about your law firm. This gives you a way to connect to people socially right through the app. As well, the client board can show you if clients have past experience with you or they would like to be able to communicate with you. This gives them a great way to be able to do that. You may also want to add some images of things in the past. Maybe you won a big settlement for someone over an issue, and maybe there was a picture of you shaking hands with somebody, and that works very well for you for social proof, for getting new clients to come in the door. So there's lots of options within the app. This is another option or another example of a location finder. You can actually add whatever you want within these different tabs. People can join your newsletter. Maybe you have regular helpful tips, or maybe you don't. And if you don't, this doesn't have to go into the app as well. But then you can show your practice areas, and maybe you specialize in divorce, or maybe you specialize in traffic. So this can give people a way to see what it is that you do and be reminded of what you do right from on their phone. You can also do push notifications so that if something is happening at the law firm that you would like people to be able to know about, you just push out a notification to them, and this will notify them right from within the app. Again, my name is Jonathan Kraft with Mobile Apps Colorado, and if we can be of any service to you, even just answering any questions that you might have about mobile apps, about how they can benefit your firm, or your practice, please do get in touch with us and we will be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to watch this video, and we look forward to answering any questions and being of service for you with a mobile app, a mobile website, or just any questions you might have about building your practice using the mobile web.